Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make pepper baby corn. The ingredients that require for this recipe are I have cut the baby corn diagonally. This is this is 200 grams of baby corn. Here I have taken the spring onion green, spring onion white, red chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, corn flour, sugar, ginger garlic grated, soy sauce. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to first marinate this baby corn with little salt, very little salt, corn flour, and pepper powder. Also, if you want it a little spicy, you can add the red chili powder. Now, to make sure that the masalas are coated properly, I'll add little water to it, and then I will mix it. I'll also add little sugar to it, just a pinch of sugar. And now I'm going to fry these baby corns. Now we'll heat some oil, and this baby corn mixture I'm going to fry it. So slowly we'll drop in the baby corns. And we'll fry them till it slightly changes its color to slightly golden. Our baby corns are fried now. I'll lower the flame and I will take it out. Now I have taken the baby corns out here, and in that same kadhai I have reduced the amount of oil also. I'm going to first put in the chopped ginger and garlic. Once the lovely aroma of ginger and garlic starts coming, I'm going to add the spring onion white, which is the bulb part. Now stir fry this also for 2 minutes. By the time the onions are getting fried, I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and I'll add little water and I'll stir it to make a paste. So here is our spring onion white fried. I'm going to add little pepper. So as you have seen, I have taken half teaspoon of pepper. I have added half of that with that corn flour, with the baby corn and corn flour mixture, and here I have added it in the sauce mixture. Now I'll add little soya sauce. I'll add the spring onion green also. Just 1 teaspoon of soy sauce I have added. Now add the fried baby corn. We'll stir fry it for a minute. After frying it for a minute, I'm going to add the corn flour mixture and we'll cook this for another 1 minute. Lower the flame. Here is our stir-fried pepper baby corn ready. I'll put off the flame and now I'll put it in a serving plate. Here is our pepper baby corn stir-fried ready. Isn't it very easy? I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get the updates of my new recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.